Current Ferrari models, supercars, and hypercars. SF90, Strat-A, plug-in hybrid, SF90 Spider, 296 GTB, mid-engine V6 hybrid, 296 G. Ferrari Daytona SP3 Limited Edition V1T Hybrid, Ferrari Grand Tours, Roma Spider, Portofino, MV8 Convertible, Ferrari 812 Superfast, Front-End Gen V12, 812 G, 812 Special Series and Limited Editions, Ferrari Purosangue, Ferrari Monza, SP1, SP2, Limited Edition V12, Speedsters, track-focused Ferrari 499P, FXXK Evo, track-only V12 Hybrid, upcoming Ferrari models, Ferrari 1.2, Cilindri successor to the 8, new hybrid and EV models. Ferrari plans to launch its first fully electric car by